So 7 years ago, I was diagnosed with breast cancer and I had to undergo chemo and radiation. The chemo treatment eventually deteriorated the bone in my mouth and eventually caused all my teeth to be loose, and they started coming out one by one. So I met with Dr. Lopez and his team, and they advised that I should have all my teeth extracted, which completely freaked me out and scared me. But with their guidance and their support and the explanation, they went into detail about the whole process. They comforted me and let me know that it was not going to be as bad as I was making it out to be. The fear was the fact that I might have to walk out of here without any teeth or go to work without any teeth, and that just absolutely was not acceptable. So when they reassured me that I would never have to walk out of here with no teeth, and that at all times I would have backup and I would have teeth and not ever have to be in that position, it changed my whole idea about having the procedure done. As a matter of fact, it changed it from no to yes. And we underwent implants. We did several implants. We did a complete reconstruction of my mouth all the way from the bottom to the top. We did bone graft, the whole 9 yards, everything that goes along with implants. And to this day now, I love my smile. I actually love taking pictures, which I used to always cover my mouth before, and I used to always say I had a good side or this side so that it's not looking directly into the camera. And now I actually can eat better. My health is better. It's helped me overall in everything that I do with health, family, fun, just enjoying life again.